Иди, у меня что-то тут херня.
Welcome, guys, to our weekly live AMA. Today's tech session, and that means that Evgeny, our CEO, will amaze you with our new tech developments. Evgeny.
Hey, sorry. I have some technical difficulties right now. So I couldn't jump into tech immediately, but quickly to recap what we're doing in here. We are Guru Network. We are developing Guru Framework, which is a framework for AI and Web3 and user access automations. And on the way there, we are also developing Guru token economy, which is supporting all those Web3 automations and AI agents and everything around it. And as the way towards it, we developing the product Guru framework, and we are adopting it into different use cases, like for example DeFi app or community app and so on and so forth. And on the way there, we are working on the ways to start distributing it fast and make it easy and so on and so forth. So that's what we are going to talk about today, because this week and previous week we were working on the new version of our application launcher, which basically spins up Guru Era app for communities, for DeFi projects, for everyone who's interested in it. And that's a part of our framework by itself. And that's what we are preparing, and that's what I wanted to show today. And let me start sharing, because what else to do in those kind of times, when markets are crazy, wars everywhere. we as usual, we're very focused on building things. So anyway, what we're building this week, we worked on the new way of like represent quests from the framework, and it's like a full screen experience here. So the same quest which you can see in the launcher in there is opened in full screen, which is creating for you that kind of landing page experience for particular features of your app. So for example, in DexGuru app, we have that feature that you can spin up community app in under 5 minutes and basically get all those features out of it, where we have like newsletters type of functionality for the communities and management of this. We have AI generated content. We have like engagement things, and this type of feature we wanted to present it as a separate kind of landing page and workflow hooked up to it. So that's what we do. Then you log in and you continue in the workflow as like, sorry, it's double login, right? Yeah, deploy app now. So now I'm ready to deploy app, and I would be landed in particular feature in DexGuru website, which is this one basically. Right, and now we have like application basics to set up and moving forward. So that's what we're working on right now, and that's what we are releasing next week into several kind of different use cases. So the first one is community app, and we were polishing this idea for quite a while already. And the community app by itself is basically what we have on leaderboard here. So in your you spin up in your community, you have a bot. Sorry, it's actually we should look at it in the at production. Yeah. So in here we have community leaderboards, and those are spinned up for every community app separately. So as an owner of community, you spinning up like gamified experience for your users, as well as way to basically uh, basically reward your community, because there is like CAPS calculations in there. It's based off what's user been doing in the group, as well as what's tasks in here. So that's in the package, and those actions are in the package and some other stuff. And that way we creating this like B2B type of market for communities and QLs and DeFi projects like Utopia, for example, right? For those kind of guys who would like to have the solution which they can spin up easily and have like a staking in there implemented, or like trading in there, and so on and so forth. And of course, AI agents. So, but for the community, for example, this is like real. Oh, sorry, again, it's staging. It's Topi AI, right? And we have leaderboard. And for example, on this leaderboard for Utopia, we also have their community, and that way, like, it's actually spreading around. So that's why this particular wizard and what everything what's happening with it, and that's what we actually actively working on right now, is very crucial. So we would be able to basically start piping the traffic into those particular services, and those services actually became a part of Guru token economy, which you participating in when you staking and participating in future governance. So this wizard and adoption of those applications, that's what actually pays those AI gurus and this growth which we are planning to have in here. So that economy from other side is hooked up to this application engine, which producing those for communities, for DeFi apps, for other things. By the way, about DeFi apps, Burning Meme already launched. If you guys hadn't noticed, it's a soft launch, but anyway. And this week, because of it, in Index Guru, not here, Index Guru in Riddle Hunt. In that Riddle Hunt, which we had Guru Talks on Tuesday, right? On Tuesday, I believe. It's all related to Burning Meme, and you start an onboarding, and in the end of this Riddle Hunt, you basically launch in your own meme coin and participate in that new Riddle Hunt. So it's a new experience, and we would be doing those things weekly with different projects. So, for example, we can do the same stuff with Utopia, and they doing the opposite to ours, and that's how our community is starting to, mingle, or is it the right word? Not sure. Anyway, so this week, this is like Burning Meme, and that's another example of a great product which is built on top of Guru framework, and Launchpad, which is hooked up in there. And with Artyom, we actually talking about having like a meme coin app option as an option for meme coin community. So with some specific, which is related to meme coins in particular, you would have your own, for example, staking for meme coins, so stuff like that, because that's what we've developed, right? Staking and airdrop distribution. That's what's happening in our staking page. And again, if you guys want to participate now, it's like Guru staking. We are preparing the next step in here with governance and everything. And yeah, and on the other side, we are building those mass products, for example, like your automation for community, AI moderation, all this kind of stuff in one package. And newsletters and DMs, because you get in there through Telegram, you bot is able to DM you. So yeah, that's what's on our plate from technical perspective right now, and that's what we are doing. So there is like launcher, wizard, right? Launcher wizard. What's the best name for it? Guru Forge. We were discussing. It's the Guru Forge. Like from Guru Forge, we have stuff coming. And it's launching community apps. It's launching TL apps. It's launching meme coin apps. It's launching DeFi apps for DeFi protocols. So and so on and so forth. We have different colors in here, you know. And those things on other side onboarding their communities, and based on their KPIs, they start having Guru grants. That's what we discussed internally as the next proposal, actually, for community, and how the boosts would be working for different seasons and so on based off it. Anyway, Guru grants distributed to community apps based on their KPIs in the list, right? And the list of community apps for you to check how it looks. Application launcher. Yeah, it's still in the works here, but yeah. So this is like our stage in like community app stuff where we're testing things, and it would be much more attractive. And like I imagine having KPIs in here, like amount of users or CPA per day in on average, community active points, CAPs, sorry, CAP, and so on and so forth. And when they match in particular milestones, they are getting Guru grants. And those Guru grants from other side, there is like Guru community. The guys who's staked, who have NFTs, who have other stuff, they are able to get the distribution from Guru grants in those applications, and they participate in airdrops and boosts in those apps, as well as their community starting to onboard into Guru community. So it's this line goes with users and participating with other apps. So to not making it more complicated than this, that's the portion we are building right now with this launcher, and we decide to do those different specific use cases and yeah, start selling it as a B2B product, because we have B2B sales of like block explorers and data warehouse, for example, and in the same time, like why not play on the same market where we are already? We have like B2B sales process and pipeline and so on and so forth. And especially if on other side of things, it's financing Guru economy and stakes, right? Because those apps, they are in need of AI Guru here, right? It's AI Guru. Actually, we have this video, right, Snark?
Well, we have it, but we still have to. Okay, we can basically show it. By the
Yeah,
way, we have.
yeah. So we have better representations than my drawings. we have a whole video about it.
Uh,
But
we
anyway,
just worked on the new version, and it's not ready yet.
okay.
We, by the way, have a question from the community. May I know how many devs have engaged with Guru Framework to build the project?
So right now in total we have in 3 separate teams who's actively working on different stuff. 24 devs, yeah. And
I should say that amount of devs that actually finish the project is way less than amount of devs who start something just to play around and get to the new shiny thing.
yeah, and we are starting from ourselves. From yeah, we were solving our own pains in here because over the years we as a team developed like probably over a dozen of products for DeFi space. Like Dex Guru, everyone knows, but there are like block explorers which we sell in B2B, data warehouse. We have like APIs products. So for example, you can use Dex Guru public API and pay through Stripe for it. It's like all type of I don't know pricing candles, all about DeFi markets. And there is over a dozen of products, and in the end of the day, we figured out that we want a compound development. So everything could be built on top of the framework for which we've built over the years, with all those DeFi applications and user interfaces and so on. So, for example, legacy Dex Guru, it's still there, right? And we have and that's what we started with. And there are like block explorers and data products and API products, and now we are in this stage where mass adopting our framework for those things. We tailor it to specific use cases and allowing people to launch them. And that's very interesting. And on the way there, we're doing it open source, of course. And there is a Guru framework which we kind of restarted recently, and we started republishing, the latest version of engine workers, so all what surrounds it. But in the end of the day, what's been launched from this wizard is this framework, right? So, and everyone are welcome to participate. Those are the ideas we are launching here. Sometimes we getting derailed from it because we have B2B clients we have to serve, and we have multiple installations right now of this framework where we basically incorporating it as a part of business process automation engine, because it's based on business process automation engine, right? It's based on Camunda. And but it's like a next level of it from perspective of what it allows for people to do, because we incorporated all the Web3 stuff in there. We have account abstractions, we have executions there, we have agentic stuff tailored to all those things, and we have those community things, and it's all comes down to having useful front end which is dynamically modified when you redesign those things, because you would like to be fast with changes and so on and so forth. And that's what we actually combining together. We combining together this kind of approach where everything is basically a diagram, and it's like very visual way of like designing things with the place where it's all handled already. We have our front end, we have engine running, and we have additional things which are very Web3 specific, I would say, and user specific. So yeah, that's why we have integrations as a business process automation engine of this thing as well. We have to handle, but overall, our direction is adoption of this framework, and with every application launched and installed, there is like Guru economy which comes with it, and AI Guru economy which comes with it. But AI Guru is basically tailored to Guru economy through staking and through other mechanics. So yeah, we have this video here, right?
Well, let's just make it like a little presentation because video is quite fast, and to comprehend it, you have to stop like every second. So let's talk a bit about AI Guru economy. What is the core economic model? The Guru token serves as the governance currency, enabling holders to propose and vote on platform decisions. The AI Guru token acts as the primary energy source, powering all activities, including the launch of AI agents and DApps. As the governance token, Guru empowers stakeholders to influence the direction of the platform, ensuring a decentralized decision-making process. Ownership of Guru gives the community a voice in significant protocol changes and upgrades. AI Guru serves as the energy token and is required for executing transactions on the platform. Every activity from launching agents to accessing services necessitates AI Guru, enhancing its utility and demand. How to launch a project on Guru Framework using Guru Forge or AppWizard Launcher. It's a pretty straightforward process. To launch products, builders need two primary components. First, it's AI Guru tokens, which can be obtained through purchasing with Ethereum or USD, or earned via staking Guru for farming purposes. Second, builders must also secure GPU nodes available as NFT licenses, which provide the necessary computational power for deploying AI agents and applications. This NFT structure ensures ownership and utility in the ecosystem. What about revenue generation in the system? Users utilize AI Guru to launch AI agents, agent teams, and decentralized applications. This transactional system directly integrates user engagement with the token's utility, promoting active participation. AI Guru spent within the platform is permanently burned, resulting in deflationary pressure. This mechanism enhances the token's scarcity, consequently increasing its long-term value for holders. Percent of the revenue generated by the platform activities is distributed back to ecosystem participants. This profit-sharing model incentivizes users and builders, creating a thriving economic environment. Ecosystem vaults in this scheme are established for various product categories, allowing builders to access necessary AI Guru when launching. These vaults facilitate liquidity and collaboration among participants. Project vaults serve as fundraising tools for specific launches, and they allow early supporters to contribute AI Guru in exchange for project tokens and revenue shares. This model fosters participations in new initiatives. So what is value for holders of Guru? First of all is maximizing revenue opportunities. Holders can participate in vaults, earning buyback yields, and which amount to about 50% of gross platform revenue, but this percentage is up to decide on governance votes. This mechanism provides consistent income stream while contributing to ecosystem. Also, there's token conversion benefits. Through their involvement in AI Guru, holders can convert tokens into project tokens during project launches. This conversion creates further revenue potential tied to new projects and their success. Guru price appreciation. As demand for AI Guru increases, the value of governance token Guru is expected to rise. This appreciation is driven by strong ecosystem activity and increased utility of AI Guru within the platform. Usage drive scarcity.
I just wanted to stop on here a little bit, and in regards to what we've been discussing before, like how those applications and the community apps and the wizard of those is connected to all this, because on the other side, what's financing all this economy is the value provided to those communities and their members in the end of the day, and that's where value acquisition happens, which is basically financing this flywheel and basically financing buybacks and burns and everything what's happening with the AI Guru on the other side. So yeah, just wanted to comment here. Yeah, it lays in increased usage here.
A little bit of problem with my mic. Okay. This usage of AI Guru drives scarcity. Increased platform usage leads to more AI Guru being burned, and this enhances token scarcity even more. And all this mechanism creates a positive feedback loop, benefiting existing token holders through value which is increasing. Higher vault yields as platform usage grows, vault yields increase, making them an attractive rewards vehicle. Higher returns on vault participation can incentivize even more holders to stake Guru, amplifying ecosystem growth. And we also should not forget that we can expand ecosystem across 80 networks, and probably with our first partnership, even more networks, which enhances adoption and usage of AI Guru. So this cross-chain capability increases the potential holders base and overall market engagement. To sum it up, opportunities here lie in self-reinforcing cycle. Platform growth leads to increase in AI Guru demand, resulting in a burn mechanism that heightens asset scarcity. This cycle ensures that as usage expands, the value of Guru token appreciates, directly benefiting holders through tangible returns. Participants in the AI Guru ecosystem receive a real revenue distribution rather than inflation-driven rewards, enhancing their overall holders' value. Each transaction in that way intensifies the token value proposition, creating a win-win for all stakeholders in the ecosystem. Revenue this way is being distributed over inflationary rewards. The platform implements revenue sharing framework, and this framework allocates % of generated revenue back to ecosystem participants.
With revenue share here, we're actually thinking of maybe modifying it just to clarify, because instead of revenue share, because it's actually a launch pad, and later I would show you in Figma how it would look and how it would feel. but it's all would maybe focused on voting with AI Guru for particular project, giving them those funds to basically finance the infrastructure and everything on Guru network, and in the same time get an airdrop of the future token which they launch along with community at some point, or application, or they already have a token in case of like Utopia and so on. So yeah, those could be the ideas, like revenue shares slash maybe airdrop distribution from the projects. But yeah, sorry, just my comments. It's all yeah in the works right now.
Yeah, and to basically sum it up, what is the takeaway? If you engage with the AI Guru ecosystem, you maximize your rewards as a Guru token holder, and the more active you in participation, you can not only contribute to platform growth, but also secure your stake in a scalable model poised for extensive adoption. That's basically the end of this presentation.
Oh yeah, let me share the screen with Figma. Yeah, this is like a staking, which you guys already seen here, right? This is our staking, but in this staking, we have ability to stake, participate in airdrop, other stuff, but there is no governance here yet. And with this new iteration, we are adding Vault's governance there. So stake and earn, the thing what you see in here, goes on this tab. And the second thing goes to Vaults, and in Vaults you actually see those applications which decided to put them there in this launchpad, and then you basically can vote with your AI Guru for particular one and get special treatment in there, or like be an early adopter and so on and so forth. So all the benefits we just discussed in here. So and this particular flow, that's what we were polishing from product side of things, and technically it's Tech Talks. That's what we are implementing right now, and the same stuff can actually be product for other applications. So for example, if Burning Meme launching the Burn token, there is already a staking program and Vaults program for them as well as because Burning Meme developing like a tokens launchpad on Guru framework, we on our side can use their mechanics for whatever stuff we would like to use. So this like cross features and everything. That's how it would work. But anyway, for the vaults, this is our governance system which hooked up to staking, and that's how it would look and how it would feel in near future. Because this week we've been working on this. We've been working on Wizard. We've been working on Utopia staking. So yeah, very technical. And by the way, I heard from Barry this week from Squid, and you've seen him before. And we have that ongoing partnership with Squid to support more chains and everything, and to actually power up Guru Block Explorer with Squid data. Yeah, we had a couple of meetings week before, but this week was very busy for us and for them. But next week, maybe on those tech talks, we would present some Squid solution for Guru framework, and how it's resulting in the Wizard again, how it's resulting in this launchpad. For example, you launch in the DeFi app and you have provider of data for it, like an indexer provider, and you have a choice in there, like Squid, for example. And then we are upselling their services and they upselling our services through this thing. The same with ThirdWeb. You've seen the ThirdWeb in our previous Tech Talks and Guru Talks already. Again, their solution incorporated in our frameworks, and everyone who's launching anything actually like increasing our volume and their volume. So we would have more of those cross-marketing things with our partners who's incorporated into Guru framework. And what else we have in there as an example? All those swaps aggregators like dBridge, Paraswap, Bebop, and so on and so forth. Can do partnerships with them, and cross promotions based off their addition to Wizard when you basically picking up what you want to have in there through in your application community. Yeah. Anyway, that's what I wanted to present today, and next week we will have it on production so anyone can play with it, as well as we're launching a marketing campaign for community apps. So there would be some installations in there and some news from that side. In regards of economy, we are planning on publishing those as proposals next week, and we are asking everyone to participate, as well as we have some launches planned. Anyway, this week we have a Burning Meme Riddle Hunt. Participate in it. We just had the line going somewhere, a couple of minutes ago. It's onboarding into Memecoin Launchpad platform, which would never rag you. That's the idea of it. Like this voting mechanisms and so on and so forth. It's all about it. And if you want to know more about it, on Tuesday we had Guru Talks with Yaro and Artyom, and all about it in the best way possible probably was discussed in there. Cool. So do we have any other questions?
Let me check, and by the way, put a link to this Guru Talks with Yaro and Artyom.
And it's interesting how we are making Riddle Hunt more comprehensive, and now using one Riddle Hunt in two streams a week. And guys, by the way, we switched to 2 streams a week, and now Yaro hosting like a Guru Talks, like a business talks, and I'm hosting tech talks. And we're inviting guests or like talking about tech on my side, and I'm sometimes inviting tech guests. And we are increasing our presence in content space. Tell us, what do you think about it? Yeah.
Okay, I just checked all the socials. We don't have any questions. I put all the links for your do your own research in comments as well, on YouTube, on Twitter, wherever you see this stream or regularly stream. So I think that's a wrap.
Oh, do we have this kind of cartoonish type of thing explaining AI Guru, or it's new version is coming?
Okay, let's try to.
Yeah, just let's wrap it up with it. No. Yeah, but the funny one with AI Guru as a mineral. I don't know. I was still in the same concept and in the same paradigm. Like, okay, here we have the slides, but months and a half ago we had this as an idea of like AI Guru as something being mined. Do you still have it?
Let me check. But it comes a bit unprepared, so I need a second maybe.
Yeah, you can turn on I would turn on the other one while you look into this. Yeah, very loud music in this one. Have you got it? Yeah, so this is like the latest. This is like
Oh, this is the
what
classic.
yeah.
Which should be played with like separate narration. It's very like cozy lo-fi style. Uh, okay, we all know what Guru Network is. Guru Network produces AI agents and apps. AI agents could also be in apps. What if we take an app full of AI agent and send it, let's say, to the moon? And after landing on the moon, all these AI agent can find a very, very rare thing on this planet and on any other. It's called product market fit. What if this AI agent ending up will kind of send the fruits of the product market fit back to node operator? But wait, how to become this node operator? To become node operator, you can participate in a node sale and directly purchase like a share in a particular agent or particular app. And this is how AI Guru economy basically works. Farming AI Guru or buying it from the market, you kind of buying a share or the whole part of some AI agent or decentralized app you believe will achieve product market fit and send the fruits of it right back to you.
Yeah, and interestingly is that so this was a narrative months and a half ago, and it's like not sales, but in our current vision and in this new slides, it's basically votes. So not sales versus votes. Yeah, it's like application votes, and then everyone participating in the application votes. And here we are naming those not sales, but I believe we are still on the same track. It could be AI agents flying in apps, servicing your community, engaging in your community, and providing leaderboards for you and analytics of it, and providing content generation for your channel or something. And they all in the app, flying somewhere and finding AI Guru everywhere. Um, they flying on AI Guru. That's basically the concept. It's
Yeah, AI Guru is
yeah,
like fuel, energy
yeah,
for these rockets, which are apps.
yeah. So through the show we actually explained it in three different ways, and it's like for 5 years old, for 10 years old. If you into trading and shit like it, we explain it for you as well. Anyway, okay, let's wrap it up. Cool things that because we are filming everything, we can actually you know kind of do throwbacks and see where we were like 2 months ago, where we are right now, how different we are in what we say into the world, and it looks like we following the concepts. Anyway, thank you guys. Next week again, Guru Talks and Tech Talks. Tech Talks. I would like to have some new developments on Squid side, as well as maybe we would present some developments on what Max was doing in regard with our framework last time. It's like a workshop type, would be workshop type of thing. So we would see what would be next week. And Guru Talks, Yaro hosting them and inviting people. So we would see who. I'm not sure who's going to be from his side, but we'll see. Anyway, Riddle
He
Hunt,
says
Burning.
it's gonna be someone interesting.
Yeah, guys, participate in Riddle Hunt and get something from Burning Meme, or just go to Burning Meme. The guys soft launched, and you have Burns on there and be an early adopter and help us to build cool things. Yeah, that's it. See you next week.
Okay. Thank you, Evgeny. Thank you, everyone who watches this AMA, and thank you, everyone who supports us with their questions, with the bug reports, and everything. Your support means a lot to us. So let's move forward. We will see you.